Hey people, just taking a moment out from a few different projects to pick a lock just for a bit of a break. So for the hell of it, I have this 245-50. It's quite an old beast, no longer made. Quite unusual in the sense that it takes one of these type of cylinders, your figure 8 kind of deal. It is a key retaining lock, ball bearing mechanism, so it can't be shimmed. And it's quite a lot similar to these 334s, except it's a little bit shorter and a little bit chunkier, and again, this type of key, this type of cylinder. Keyway is basically the same. Oh, it's not the same as this one. Regular C4 type of keyway. But like I said, for the hell of it, let's do some picking on it. Okay. Let's see how we go. Let's go straight to the back of the lock. If I can drag the pick forward and feel a pin. Okay, I'm not satisfied with that. Nor with that. Okay, that didn't feel too bad there. I'll leave that. I'm not convinced of that. I feel like this should be set. Aha. Don't trust that. Don't trust that. I'll back out to the front. Oh, not entirely convinced there. I'll leave that one. I'll leave that. I'll leave that. Alright, I'll leave that one as well. Aha. That was the one. What you want out of these Lockwoods is a nice clean setting of a pin. You don't want the mushy stuff. You want everything to be nice. Otherwise, you can be spinning your wheels for a bit. Careful, Icarus. Oops, I'm drifting into the camera frame. Sorry. Kind of a little engrossed in what I'm doing here. Okay, I think this should be the one. There we go. Oi! Lockwoods. Yipes. Oh well, springs don't want to come out. I'm not going to torture myself by bashing things around madly. So there we have the pins. Give me a second and I'll reframe so we can have a bit of a closer look. So hopefully that's a bit better. Now, 6 pins as you can see, despite the 5-pin key. Obviously the last pin is resting on the tip of the key here. So all standard Lockwood pins down below the key pins, and upstairs for drivers, again all standard Lockwood pins with a little bit of a bevel on the ends to make life a little bit interesting. The springs are still up in there and I can't be bothered getting them out, but there's nothing much exciting to see there. No modifications up inside the Bible and no modifications in the plug. She's just a fairly standard beast, but a lovely old beast. So, just in case you were wondering about this lock, now you've seen one, and now you know what basically is inside one of these. So, nothing much else I think that I need to tell you. So, I'm going to move on to something else. Possibly sleep at some point because I'm absolutely knackered. Peace and respect to one and all. And I'm guessing perhaps I will see you on another day. So, bye for now.